Good morning everyone present here. Before I deliver my speech, I would like to wish you all the best wishes, and I also want to thank you a lot for having me a chance to share my view on this important topic, energy conservation. Today we are surrounded by a lot of tools, gadgets and technologies which make our daily lives much easier. For example, vehicle help us cover distance in less time. Washing machine help us to clothe our washing clothes, and microwave on help us quickly prepare food. All those tools, gadgets and technologies do not work for free. They need the required power supply to work. This power is generated through various methods which involve the burning of conventional energy source such as coal, petroleum, electricity, etc. These sources of energies are called non-renewable resource energy because they are present in limited quantities. For this reason, these need to be used.
Good morning to all. Thank you to all of you to give me a chance to give a speech on energy conservation. I am privileged to be here today to discuss the significance of energy conservation with you. Energy is a precious resource that is essential to our everyday existence. I want to share with you that energy is crucial for life. Every is helpful for supplying that gasoline for vehicles. There is a energy issue in our global NOCO. This dilemma is being exacerbated by factors like climate change.
Good morning to all present here. Today I will discuss advantages of energy conservation. First, a decrease in emission of greenhouse gases. Second, a decrease in our reliance on imports of oils. Third, a rise in employment and the economy across several industries. Fourth,
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम चाहत है। मैं 9वीं कक्षा की छात्रा आज आपके सामने ऊर्जा संरक्षण दिवस पर 5 वाक्य बोलने जा रही हूँ। अनावश्यक ऊर्जा की खपत को कम करने तथा उसे भविष्य की पीड़ा के लिए सुरक्षित रखना ही ऊर्जा संरक्षण कहते हैं। ऊर्जा दक्षता ब्यूरो ऊर्जा की खपत को कम करने तथा उनकी नीतियों और रणनीतियों के विकास में मदद करता है। विद्युत मंत्रालय द्वारा भारत सरकार ने 1991 में एक योजना शुरू किया जो हर साल उद्योग।
सुप्रभात, मैं 9वीं कक्षा की छात्रा कोमल आज आपके सामने ऊर्जा संरक्षण पर 5 वाक्य बोलने जा रही हूँ। पहला, इस दिन लोगों को कम ऊर्जा की खपत करने तथा उसे भविष्य के लिए संरक्षित रखने की सलाह दी जाती है। दूसरा, विचार विमर्श, वाद विवाद, सम्मेलन आदि के माध्यम से आज के दिन ऊर्जा संरक्षण को बढ़ावा दिया जाता है। तीसरा, ऊर्जा संरक्षण अभियान को।
Good morning everyone to present here. Today I am going to give a speech on energy conservation. Energy conservation refers to the actions taken to lower energy for us. Most importantly, energy conservation can accomplish by either using less energy or by using fewer services. Energy conservation is crucial since the energy on earth is limited and can take a long time to restore. Saving non-renewable energy sources is made possible in large part through energy conservation. Due to high cost of mining fossil fuels, customers must pay more for goods and services. Conserving energy would undoubtedly lessen the need to dig fossil fuels, which would lower cost for consumers. As a result, people will have more disposable cash to spend on products and services, which will stimulate the economy. In conclusion, preserving energy must rank as one of the humanity's top priorities. The world supplies enough to satisfy every man's wants, but not every man's greed, as Mahatma Gandhi famously observed. This sentence encapsulates the significance of energy conservation. It is unquestionably crucial to put energy conservation measures into action right away. Thank you.